Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a DIY on making my own personalized custom doormat. I've never done this before. I think I can do this. I found a picture on Pinterest. I swear Pinterest is gonna make me go broke, but I saw a picture on Pinterest and I wanted a doormat that said "Hi Pumpkin." So I looked all over online trying to figure out where to buy this doormat from, and I could not find it. So what does that mean? I gotta make it myself. So I went to IKEA, I found a doormat for $9. I found these sponges from Home Goods. Actually, I found these sponges from Hobby Lobby. Stencils from Hobby Lobby. And then I just got a sample of paint from Home Depot, I believe. And this is like less than $5. It's just black exterior black paint that I'm going to use to write out my Hi Pumpkin on my doormat. And I think it's gonna be perfect for the fall season. I'm getting ready for all of my fall decor, all of my Halloween decor. So let's go ahead and get started into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I want to make sure I know where I'm gonna put my first letter. So yes, I am doing this on my kitchen counter. I have paper on here. This is a clean mat. It hasn't been on the floor. So don't worry, I'm not gonna get too many germs on my counter. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is position where I want to put my first letter. Now these letters are 2 inches in height. So I know that I need 9 letters to make up Hi Pumpkin. And I want it to be in one straight line. I also want it to be in the middle. So I need to know the total distance of, the top from bottom and then from left to right. So the length and the width. Now what I'm gonna do is just add in, 9 letters, about 2 inches, add another ½ inch. So I'm just gonna say it's about 22 inches total for the length. And then it's about 2 inches tall. So I'm just gonna take the total of the height, subtract my 2 inches, divide it by 2, and that's where you're gonna put your first letter. Similar to a lot of my other videos, you know that I'm very precise with my measurements. So as long as it's just in the right position that you like, that's all that matters. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it a little bit more workable with my letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut my stencils. They're my stencils, so I can do whatever I want with them, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them out. That way I can get to the letters a little bit easier than having these large sheets of stencils. Of course, I'm gonna put some gloves on because I just got my nails done. And you can use a paper bag like I'm using, or you can use a paper plate, whatever you want to put the paint on, dab your sponge in, whatever works for you.
So as you can see, I'm just using a little bit of tape to tape the letters in place. And it was a lot harder than I thought to try and keep these letters straight, but I did it. It is a bit difficult, but not impossible. And I just want to say sorry for all the shaking with the camera. I didn't have a tripod that was tall enough to sit over me, so I had to call my sister and have her hold it while I did this for like 45 minutes, so she was moving a little bit, so sorry about that. But thanks, Sissy. And please excuse my big head as well. I was just trying to get these letters straight. Also too, as you can see, I'm using the sponge and not a brush. I just thought that it was better to use a sponge because you can push the paint into the mat instead of brushing it or scraping it on. This allows the paint to seep into the actual rug because it is very textured. Also, you can see that I am using the top of my cap instead of the paper bag or a plate, so whichever works for you.
So I just finished painting on the letters and I'm gonna let it sit overnight so it can dry. But this is what the finished product looks like. I think it looks so cute. It came out perfect. I might put a little comma after high just to see what it looks like, but I didn't have a stencil for it in the package, so I might go and get one. But other than that, I think it looks great. I can't wait to put this on my doorstep and decorate for the holidays. So I will do another video on how I decorate my doorstep and the door just with a fall Halloween inspired look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.